Yo, yeah, and hello there. I have a quick tip for you, everyone using Premiere Pro. If you are editing a video and you just want to record something and you want to start at this point to revoice something, for example, and you are seeing the correct video in the background, then it starts from the beginning, which you do not want. So I'll just show you what happens. As you can see, it starts from here, although I add my playhead here. So what we can do is just move the in and out to where we want to record. In case you do not have any in and out markers, just press X and then you will see it and then you can adjust it. Or if that for some reason doesn't work, just go here in the time code, do a right click and then go on mark in, and yeah, then you will also have the playhead at the exact moment where you want it to be. Make sure to either clear the in and out markers in order to have the full video rendered, or you just have to rearrange it properly. So make sure to set it to the beginning again. And now if I press the record button again, it starts exactly where I want. It's a workaround. It used to work properly, but I don't know why it doesn't work anymore. So yeah, I hope this helped you. Please write a comment if you have another solution or if there's a fix. See you in the next one. Ciao!